this Itzy Zumba dance workout. If you want more powerful girl group workouts, be sure to check out my Patreon linked right up here. We've got Les Seraphim Anti-Fragile, Nude by G Idol, and Queens of K-Pop 30-minute dance workout parts 1 and 2. Alright, let's get started.
Again, already told you it's done. What didn't you get? Don't forget you're the one that tried to get with my friends. The end, the end, the end, the end. Well, you must be going crazy, thinking I'll be back. I'm sorry, cause you're crying like a baby, but do I look like your mommy? Take a look into the mirror if you wonder why you lost me. Gotta sit down and shut up, you did it to yourself. Boy, gonna diss me, boy, I'm so pissed. Boy, gonna miss me, boy, you are dismissed. I don't fall for boys like you. I don't fall for boys like you. I don't fall for boy, wanna date me, boy, out of date, yeah. Boy, wanna what? No, boy, out of my way. I don't fall for boys like you. I don't fall for boys like you. I see through sweet little lies and every excuse. When you start every fight, the blame is on you. One red flag and I'm gone, already on to the next, the next, the next. But you must be going crazy, thinking I'll be back. I'm sorry, cause you're crying like a baby, but do I look like your mommy? Take a look into that mirror if you wonder why you lost me. Gotta sit down and shut up, you did it to yourself. Boy, gonna diss me, boy, I'm so pissed. Boy, gonna miss me, boy, you are dismissed. Cause I don't fall for boys like you. I don't fall for boys like you. I don't fall for boy, wanna date me, boy, out of date, yeah. Boy, wanna what? No, boy, out of my way. Cause I don't fall for boys like you. I don't fall for boys like you. I don't fall for. You can read your voice, but know that you have no choice. And don't care what you do. You can read your voice, but know that you have no choice. Don't care what you do. So turn around, walk away. You made your bed, so you gotta lay. Get out of my way. Boy, gonna diss me, boy, I'm so pissed. Boy, gonna miss me, boy, you are dismissed. Cause I don't fall for boys like you. I don't fall for boys like you. I don't fall for boy, wanna date me, boy, out of date, yeah. Boy, wanna what? No, boy, out of my way. Cause I don't fall for boys like you. I don't fall for boys like you. I don't fall for. You can read your voice, but know that you have no choice. And don't care what you do. You can read your voice, I know that you have no choice. Don't care what you do. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Like what? 자유로운 기분 I like that. 고민 따윈 already done. 색감각이 그 보는 게 재치, that's not my fault. 도저 I don't care 너 내 멋대로 갈 거야. 필요 없어 older. Don't need no guidance, I'm making my way. I'm on my way up, run to the top. 난 언제든 straight up. 원래 두려운 게 없어 난. 상관없어, call me trouble, or you can call me weirdo. 나로 살고 싶어. 똑같을지 어울리는 채로 다가질 듯한 attitude. 그건 모르지만 일단은 start right now. Yeah, alright. 멈추지 마 to the top. Don't worry about it cause you know I put my sneakers on. 상관없어, call me trouble. Or you can call me weirdo. 나로 살고 싶어. 손끝을 지켜 올린 채로 다가지 듯한 attitude 그거면 돼. You better put your sneakers on. Put my sneakers on. 하나 둘 ready get set go. Put my sneakers on. Put 'em on. Yeah, yeah. Put my sneakers on. 하나 둘 ready get set go. 멀리 가보자고 yeah, yeah. Put 'em on. Yeah, yeah. 자유롭게 뛰고 싶어 다른 사람 시선들 don't care now. 어디까지 가게 될지 모르지만 일단 start right now. Yeah, alright. 멈추지 마 to the top. 같이 걸어가 보자고. Yeah, yeah.
Awesome job, guys! Workout complete. If you want more powerful females of K-pop dance workouts, be sure to check out my Patreon link right here. We've got Lace Over from G-Idol, a lot of other exclusives out now. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.